Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 18. This is Section 3.1, Problem 18. It says write the decimal as a fraction, and the decimal we have is 0.03004. So step 1, write what comes after the decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So after the decimal I have a 0, a 3, 2 more zeros, and then a 4. So that's the first step. Step 2, put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. So I put a 0 under the 4, a 0 under these two zeros, a 0 under the 3, and a 0 under the first 0. Each digit in the numerator has a 0 under it. Step 3, put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. Step 4, reduce the fraction if it's reducible. Well, the first thing I'm going to do in terms of reducing the fraction is this 0 that starts off the numerator. I don't need to write that. So I can make it really 3004 over, let's see, that's 100,000. Now, can that be reduced? Well, I can see that 3004 is even, 100,000 is even, so I can at least divide them by 2. So half of 3004, well, half of 3,000 is 1,500, so because of the 4 it'll be 1,502. Half of 100,000 is 50,000. So I have 1,502 over 50,000. Now, they're both still even, so I can reduce at least by 2. So, half of 1,502, I know for half of 1,500 is 750, but because of the 2, it'll be 751. And then half of 50,000 is 25,000. Now, can I reduce more? Is there anything that will divide into 751 and 25,000 evenly? Well, they're not both even, so I can't reduce by 2 anymore or any other even number like 4, 6, 8, 10. Could I reduce by 3, by 5, by 7? As you check some of these, you'll see that there is nothing else that divides into both 751 and 25,000, or not evenly. So 751 over 25,000 is the fraction equivalent of 0.03004.